Hey guys, this is Mrs. Schramm. I just wanted to hop on. I hope you had a good long weekend. We're able to rest, relax a little bit, and enjoy your time. So I'm just going to explain what we'll do for today, September 9th already, Wednesday. So again, here's your video link, and then 20 minutes of Lexia. As we get more into a routine, that will kind of be the expectation every day is to do 20 minutes of that. On SIS, you can see that I've already updated grades from week 1 of using Lexia. So I'm looking at participation. Did you log on and use it? And then progress. Are you completing units? Okay. Most people got 10 out of 10 on both of those this week. So that's awesome. Thank you. Let's see. Then we are going to do just a quick Kahoot to review what we started reading last time. I know you guys have been off of this class for quite a few days. So this should take you to the Kahoot. And then I'm going to play as guest. Classic. Okay. And then here's your pin. You can hop on and start playing that as a review. Okay, that's just the basics of what we've read so far in the story to help you remember. We're going to keep reading. Again, here is the reading, the audio, and then the questions we're going to answer. We have a little bit left, so we'll see how far we get today. We'll try to finish reading today. If we don't finish, that's all right. We can finish Friday, and then we'll review. At the end of the story, we will have a quiz, so make sure you're following along, answering those questions. That will help you when we do take the quiz, when we get all the way done. Again, here's the Zoom links if you need those. If you need any help, please email me. That's the easiest way to get a hold of me because I do travel around different classrooms during the day. So email me, hop on Zoom. All right, have a good day.